Frigid temperatures in D.C. forced today's inauguration indoors, and it's just as cold here in Kentucky with bitter temperatures across the bluegrass. Meteorologist Justin Esterly joins us now with a first look at the forecast. Justin, is there any relief in sight?
Yes, Andrea, there in fact is, but it is going to take a couple of days before we get there. That bitter winter is going to stick around. We've got some more of that cold air working in for the rest of the first half of this week. Cold weather advisory in play. Feels like temperatures below zero, plus a few flurries in the mix as we go throughout the day tomorrow and into early Wednesday. But there is a late week warm up in there, and that's in quotations because even as we warm up, well, I don't think those temperatures are really going to get above average. Take a look at this. Everybody under a cold weather advisory goes early Tuesday morning through early Wednesday morning for feels like temperatures, again, that are way down near and below zero. Air temperatures themselves will float down near zero tonight. A lot of single digits in there, even with a partly to mostly cloudy sky as cloud cover moves in as an upper level disturbance rolls through. Tomorrow night or Wednesday morning, we're going to see lows down near zero, and in many spots, we're going to see the air temperature itself drop into the negatives. That is going to bring wind chills into play that could be a little on the dangerous side. Tomorrow morning feels like zero or even 5 degrees below that. As we go throughout the day here in Lexington and the surrounding metro, feels like temperatures don't get out of the single digits. In southern Kentucky, they might feel like 10 to 11 degrees at best. But then we go into Wednesday morning, and you saw there, air temperatures below zero means that our wind chills could be 5, 10, even 15 degrees below zero. We are going to see some relief start to work back in a little bit Wednesday, but it won't be till later this week that we see those temperatures start to climb out of this frigid air. I mean, look at how much area this frigid air is covering, getting well down into the deep south as well. We do get away from it Wednesday, Thursday, start to balance things out a little bit. Still cold, another little resurgence of that Thursday into Friday, but you'll notice as we get into the 7-day temperatures that we're going back into the 30s by Thursday and Friday. Lows come up out of the single digits for us, and Saturday and beyond, we've got a good crack at 40 plus, which will feel nice for us too, but it will come, unfortunately, with some chances for rain and maybe some snow. Tomorrow, just a couple of flurries. Friday as well, maybe a few flurries. But the big thing is going to be Sunday, Monday as we roll through. Here's the disturbance that we're watching. You can see it's coming with cloud cover. There is some flurries to go with it. High pressure moving out, which allows that new stuff to move in and bring a couple of those flurry chances. Futurecast doesn't really show much of the flurry, but it does show that wave coming by. There's a few of them trying to pop up late Tuesday to the northeast. High pressure follows behind that, clears it out. Gets us really cold for Wednesday morning, but then more cloud cover tries to roll in for Wednesday afternoon. What we're really going to keep an eye on is really the weekend as these shower chances and maybe some snow mix together. A wintry system for sure as we go through Sunday and into Monday. We'll have to see what kind of plays out with that. Chances for some accumulating snow or some ice might not be out of the question for us, but temperatures will get to warm up there for us towards the end of the weekend.
Sounds good. Thank you, Justin.